Assalamu alaikum. There is something important I want you to know. Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will never take away your hardship, but instead He will provide a means or a way to ease your hardship. Didn't it test Prophet Ayub alayhi salatu wasalam with illness, then provided water as means of cure for him? He didn't lift Prophet Yusuf alayhi salatu wasalam from the well directly, but instead He sent a human as a means of rescue. When Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam was thrown into the fire, Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala didn't remove him from the fire directly, but instead He cooled the fire and make it safer for him. So whenever you're facing trials in life, trust that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not take your hardship away, but instead He will pave a way out for you to ease your hardship. Wassalamu alaikum.